Just so you know.
And I'm going straight.
Things happen. Pause. Stop. Hit the brakes. Brakes. I do not want to drive the Cybertruck. It's the worst car in the world. This is the Utah Driver's License Division, and this is our youngest child, London. London, what is happening today?
I am taking my driver's permit test.
Woo! If she fails it and doesn't get above 80%, then she can take it one more time today. And then if she fails that, then we're not going to get the permit today. So do you think you're going to pass?
Hopefully. We'll see.
And then in this video, we're going to take her on a drive and let her drive for the first time on the streets. Can't believe we just like give them a permit because they take a test and then all of a sudden they can drive. So let's go. Time to take the test.
Woo!
Look how tall she's getting. That's impressive.
6 feet, yeah.
You're like almost as tall as Lincoln. She just finished, but I couldn't tell from her reaction if she passed or not. I think she passed. What did you get on the test? You have to get 80 to pass.
I got over 80.
Over 80, let's go! Permit time! She has passed the driver's test. That's fantastic. So we're gonna go to a church parking lot just like we did with Lincoln and Claire, and we're going to test it out in the high school parking lot, church parking lot, then we'll take to the roads. I'm so glad she passed. Up in the driver's seat. It's your turn.
This is my seat now. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so scary. I don't even know which one's the wheel. Which is the go?
This is the wheel.
Oh, what do I do first? Which one's the brake? This one.
No.
This one.
Yes, that's the brake. That's important. You really don't know that that's the brake?
I do now.
So before we see how London drives, this is Vantrue Dashcam, and they decided to sponsor this video of London learning how to drive. Let me just give you a couple of reasons why I think having a different dashcam or an additional dashcam versus what's the internal stuff inside of here is worth it. One of the big ones is my son was smart when he got in the accident. The guy ran the red light and hit him. He was smart enough and he knew to push the button on the Tesla recording so that it kept that footage. If he didn't do that, we wouldn't have had the footage and there's a chance that people would have fought it. How nice is it if you can get a dash cam recording inside your car, behind your car, and in front of your car all the time when you're driving, and have some audio from inside of the cabin so that you don't have to stress out in a moment of a car crash of going in and pushing the button in case it doesn't get it. Let's open this thing and get it installed. But one of the things that I really love about this dash cam is the nighttime performance. It has a best-in-class night vision system, also has a mode called Plate Picks, which is a trademark thing where it's able to identify license plates. This is something that you typically wouldn't do with footage, but I'm going to zoom in 300 to 500% right now, and this enhances the license plate. Check out the link in the description to the Vantrue N4S to see if it's something that you want to get for your car. Thank you again to Vantrue for sponsoring this video. Let's go see if London can actually drive a car on the roads. I'm genuinely nervous after the way it's gone for the last 3 weeks. We went to the high school and we started having her drive, and I was gonna film it just like I did on the other kids' videos, but I could sense some apprehension. Turns out we needed more education, and as much as I love making videos for you guys, the most important thing is that she learns how to drive. We don't need to do things just for the sake of a video. So now, it has been about 4 weeks since she got her permit, and we've driven around the neighborhood a bit, and we've done a little bit of driving, but not that much. And so today, we are going to actually drive on one of the roads. Let's start driving, and we're gonna pull up behind the Cybertruck, and we're gonna follow it. There she goes. Look how good she's doing. No stop sign.
That is really dangerous. Turning right?
Left.
Oh, I meant stop?
No stop sign. You have to look still to see if there's cars.
You're so right, my bad.
Oh, you're speeding 27. Oh no.
It's because the hill is making me go fast.
The hill is, yeah, you gotta be aware of the hill. Let's get a little closer to the bumper of the Cybertruck. We want to stay closer when he turns right, and hopefully he picks a spot when it's wide open behind us. All right, we have lost the Cybertruck. They turned when there was lots of other cars coming, and so, yeah.
Can I go?
Right after this truck, you are set. Go for it. This is a better window.
There's a Cybertruck. Okay, we're good.
All right, we are now at the intersection where Lincoln got into an accident.
Why would you say that?
And it was not his fault. Somebody just ran into him and ran the red light and hit him.
Why would you say that?
Just so you know.
And I'm going straight.
Things happen.
Straight. I'm going straight.
You're going straight.
Green. It's green. Okay. Go.
You're good. Follow the Cybertruck. That's the game. Here we are. We're going 38. She's driving down the road. Doing a good job following the Cybertruck. I like the gap right here. That's a good, safe gap.
So what's happening here?
All right, now we're gonna turn right.
How do we do that?
Signal to the right.
I already did.
Okay. Keep
Do I
going,
just
keep
go?
going, keep going, and then you're gonna start slowing down right about now. Start slowing down. Not a ton, not a ton. Keep going, keep going. Turn,
Okay.
turn. You
Did
don't
you
want to
clarify
stop.
whether
You don't want
I'm
to stop, but
turning?
you gotta turn once
Okay.
you're there. But
I've never seen that
the
one
good goal is to
before.
slow down at the end, like slow down closer to the turn.
So this is a school zone if I'm not.
This is 25.
Great. Okay, what's happening here?
It's gonna be a 4-way stop. That's a big moment.
How do you do this? Which
Okay,
way
pull
am I
up,
even
pull up,
going?
pull up.
Oh my gosh.
Pull up and then stop at the white line. Ready?
Okay.
Keep going, keep going. Now stop. Pause. Okay, now it's your turn. Go.
Straight?
Okay, we're gonna turn right into the school.
Oh,
So signal to
how
the
do
right.
I do that? How do I do that?
Signal to the right. Move over a lane.
Is there someone behind? Yeah, there is.
Yep. Slow down on the brakes.
Sorry, guys.
Slow down the brakes. Brakes.
Sorry,
Brakes.
guys.
Woo!
Sorry.
That was scary. That car was coming in fast
Am I
behind
turning
you.
right?
Go, 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 go. Okay, hold on.
I know, I knew that there was people there.
Okay, go for it.
Go right?
Go. Yes, go straight.
Oh, that car's
And
turning
then
though.
Turn right. Turn right. Okay. There you go.
Where am I going now?
Now you're gonna pull over right here. Here and pause. Stop. Hit the brakes. Brakes.
Sorry, I forgot.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, windshield wiper. Brake. Now put it in park. That's the windshield wiper. This side is that. Oh, it got a little stressful there. We got the windshield wipers going. We parked crooked in the parking lot, but she almost hit the gas. But there's all these people that are going to class right now. Like, look how many there are.
Let's switch spots and let's go to Fizz.
Fizz is a drink place. Some people have heard of Swig. We go to Fizz.
Ooh.
She has earned a drink. We're gonna go get a drink. Good job. Hi, can I get a 24-ounce strawberry shortcake? Could I get a 24-ounce Jamaican Me Crazy with extra ice?
Jamaican Me Crazy.
Okay,
And that strawberry shortcake.
great, thanks so much.
Yep, have a good one.
Jamaican Me Crazy, Jamaican Me Crazy. London wasn't feeling well after she drove, so I let her go in. But I wanted to wrap up this video and have a conversation with her, so she approved me to dress up and do a little interview. So yeah, let's talk about the driving. We have got our Fizz. It is so good. I love my Fizz. How was my Fizz? What kind did you get again? I got the strawberry shortcake. Oh yeah, that's right. How would you rate it out of 10? Definitely an 8 out of 10. Okay, 9 out of 10. I like it. That's really good.
I said 8
so
out of 10.
here's the deal. London, we need to know, what are your thoughts about driving after driving for the first 3 weeks?
I am scared, but I love it. I can't wait to drive. I'm gonna be so good. So good.
Next question, how do you rate yourself out of 10? How good of a driver are you right now? And how good of a driver do you think you'll be once you actually get your license?
Right now I'm a 2 out of 10, but I'm gonna become like a 7 out of 10 by the time I get to drive.
Okay, I think you got to give yourself a little bit more credit. You did a decent job. She's a brand new driver, everybody. Give her
Dad.
some grace, but it was challenging. You are the most excited to be driving out of the 3 kids. I think that's the case. You're also the most cautious. So there's definitely some room to grow. We have like 8 months until you actually get your license. So we'll bring you along for the next steps. She needs to go through student driving. First of all, needs to drive a ton of hours, daytime, nighttime, and then she needs to go into the actual training and then do the test. So we'll bring you along for some of it. What about a car?
I don't
Do
want
you want
to
to drive
drive.
the Cybertruck?
I do not want to drive the Cybertruck. It's the worst car in the world and it looks like a garbage can. I'm not driving it. I want like a Jeep, like a pink Jeep.
Yeah, no, I'm not opposed to that. That sounds okay. All right, everybody, thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, I love this.
Yes, thank you for
Great.
watching this video, and give it a thumbs up for London.
Thumbs up.
Give her some encouragement in the comments. Driving is a privilege. It's something
I
that
can
you
do
want
it,
to be
everybody.
safe on the roads, and I'm grateful that she's going to be able to drive, and maybe I will let her drive this Cybertruck at some point.
I don't want to drive the Cybertruck. I want a
Okay.
Jeep.
I'm going inside. Thanks, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is me. It's not London.